Thank you.
감사합니다.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I believe that ideally what I would love to do is to plant a cross-cultural missional church that basically represents the environment in which we live, particularly a global neighborhood kind of ministry where people are representative interculturally as well as, ethnically. They look not necessarily the demographic of the preacher, but that they represent the community in which the church is located. To me, I think that is what God desires of the church.
I'm passionate about God's people and church. I'm called to deliver God's word and love to the people through the church. I will devote my entire life for God's mission on earth while seeking His guidance and wisdom at all times.
I especially want to thank the donors because I would not have been able to come to seminary if it had not been for them. The scholarship that I received, the Bishop Scholarship, which covered my tuition, really made it possible for me to be able to afford the education and also to be able to focus more once I was in school on what I was learning and what I was trying to do and the call that I was looking to answer. And so without them, that would not have been possible. And I really appreciate the work that they've done and the efforts they've put forth and the way they've represented God's love in sharing that opportunity with me as well as with my classmates.
But I want to give a special shout out to the professors who grounded me in Wesleyan theology and gave me the assurance that what I am doing in my ministry is in line with what John Wesley believed all Christians should be doing, and that's serving the least among us. We have been so blessed to have a ministry that reaches out to so many of those in need. And it is that grounding in Wesleyan theology, understanding of how God can make disciples through mission evangelism that has been so important to us.
My passion is preaching and teaching. My other passion is reaching out to the lost, and what I mean by that, those who have basically given up on church, and inviting them to come back and not reinvent church, but to see all the benefits of being in a Christian fellowship. That's my passion, teaching and mentoring. I love mentoring elementary age students, not only in Sunday school, but in the community at large. So preaching, teaching, and mentoring.
I'm really passionate about missional theology and the church being a part of what God is doing in the community. And so with that missional theology, I've been able to use that practically within a church to work with the members in becoming a part of its community. The classes here at Wesley have really helped me to do that because they've not only taught me biblically and theological principles, but they've also connected what we believe to how we act and how we use that within a church setting. And so I've been able to practically apply what I've been learning in the classroom to a church setting. And that's been really vital for me to both learn and do at the same time.